Hey everybody, Dr. Blumenthal again here at Bethesda, Maryland office in Natural Transplants. I want to show you another example of our scars. This is a patient wants to be anonymous, but you can see we just took out the stitches, so there's still some inflammation in there. But this little tiny, basically paper cut line, thin line, that's what's all going to show once the hair evens out and some of that inflammation dies down. But again, another example of the work we do. And he took really good care of it. Again, a lot of that is credit to him of not exercising, not pushing it, taking care of it. But again, that's kind of what we look, and we're going to even out that hair in the next couple days. You'll never see this. All right.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.